That's 34, 30, 53, 40. $52.46. Now those two engines need some painting. There's some classic engines. Has anybody ever been close and smelt the wood from here? I have. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me. And if you did, go thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came here, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also do me a big favor. Hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified about it. But this was filmed on Wednesday, June the 17th, 2026. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Hey, thanks for watching.